This is my driveway. It disappears into the water. I'm gonna make sure I don't drive off into the water. Oh my god, I hate this. Alright. Fucking baby beaver. Holy shit. Oh, unless it's, no, it's gonna be a baby beaver. Oh my god, there's another one. Oh shit, we got two of them. Wow. Look at them. I hope they're like not beaver. Anyway. Driveway. Look, dry. Well, somewhat dry. It's dark again. Holy shit, it's dark. I cannot see my driveway. Oh god, I don't know how fast I should go. I don't want to get stuck in the mud. I don't want to fall off the road either. It keeps pulling me one way and another. Ugh. This is wicked deep. Shit. Oh, it's my seatbelt. This is wicked fucking deep. Ah! Oh shit! I think I just ran over a baby. Fucking no. I have to get out.